members, and welcome back to Virtually BGCMC. Miss Nikki here, and today I'm at the Salinas River Beach in Moss Landing, California. Come take a walk with me. We're here right at the start of our walk, and immediately you can see the beach and the Salinas River. Also, in the distance, you can see Moss Landing. This area is great for local fishing as well as bird watching. As you can see, currently the tide is low, but it is going to start rising soon. We can tell this because the area that I'm walking on is actually a little bit damp, and you can see that this is as far as the tide will come up when the water rises. But for now, we can walk on it and check out some of the views and local wildlife in the distance. For this walk, I'm going to be taking the trail that is along the Salinas River. There is a path that you can take that is along or will get you to the beach. But for now, let's take a walk next to the Salinas River and dunes area. Over here, we can see the dunes with the sand and ice plant. For those of you that don't know, ice plant is actually an invasive species here on the dunes, and a lot of people have been working their best to try and remove this invasive species from the Monterey Bay Peninsula. As you walk along the path, you can hear the birds in the distance, and you can see all of the local flowers and native plants that are all along this trail. Well, members, I hope that you enjoyed this walk as much as I did at the Salinas River State Park. I'll catch you next time where we explore more views of the Monterey Peninsula.